Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix save from .NET not working in Chrome. So first, use the updated save from .NET URL. Then you just need to go to the https that's true //en.savefrom.net/398 slash. So this is the latest working entry point. Then here is the second option, that disable Chrome extension that block scripts. Go to Chrome to //extension / then disable ad blockers, script blockers, or VPNs temporarily like uBlock Origins or Ghostery etc. Then reload save from .NET. The third step is enable JavaScript in Chrome. So go to Chrome //settings/content/JavaScript. Then make sure it's set to sites can use JavaScript and save from .NET to allowed list if needed. Now here is clear cache and cookies. Go to Chrome //settings/clear browser data. Then select cookies and other site data plus cached image and files. Time range all time. Then reload save from .NET. Now the step 5 is use the save from helper extension. So this is for a newly launched extension. So like Chrome Web Store no longer allows this, but here's the workaround. Manual installation method in Chrome extension. Go to the save from .NET/user.php, then download the .crx extension file save from helper. This is the name of that extension. Now open Chrome //extension/ turn on developer mode, then drag and drop the CRX file into the page to install. Approve permissions. This allows you to download directly from YouTube pages using the helper button. Now here is the step 6 is use alternative short links. Instead of save from .NET directly, you can try add access before YouTube URL. For example, this redirect to you to our working save from page. Now here is the step 7, try a different browser. If Chrome keeps blocking it, try Brave. The based on Chrome works well, or the Firefox, or use Chrome in incognito mode with extension disabled. Here is the common errors and fixes. So if download button not appearing, use the helper extension to alternate URL like accessyoutube.com. Block by browser, then disable ad or script blocker, or try incognito mode. Page not loading, so clear cache or use another save from mirror link. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can fix save from .NET not working in Chrome. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.